Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to share TikTok link on widget. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to your TikTok page, or you go to any TikTok video, that is the home page. After which you click on this share button. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Widget. After which you simply need to insert the topic of the video. So I'll just insert TikTok. After that, you choose the community profile. Once you're there, you click on what? Post. So guys, we are just sharing the TikTok link on our widget account. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.